This understanding of the human anatomy, the muscles, the blood circulations, the points through which pressure needs to be applied to release the stress, this requires a lot of education, practice, training. It is not to be termed as massage. It is basically a therapy of the mind as well as the body. One is both physically and mentally very, very fresh and lively. And I would recommend this to anyone, whatever their age may be, whatever their vocations or professions in life, to adopt this instead of running to doctors every now and then. Because the advantage here is it's totally a natural therapy based on the understanding of God-given human anatomy. And I, for one, would always come back here again and again to get that feeling of well-being and wellness, knowing in my heart that no chemicals are being introduced into my system which might have adverse effects in the long term. Make it a habit, make it in your schedule to visit this place at least twice a month. There are various therapies available and the experts here will guide you to what is best for you. And if you need any customized solutions, there is the ever-smiling Mrs. Indumati who will always explain to you the theories and then recommend to you the best treatment that will help you.